Hello everyone, welcome back to Technocrat Edge, and I'm Namya back with another video for you. Today we're going to learn that how we can create a redstone circuit in Minecraft by which we can take out the crackers again and again. So let us start. What we require is a redstone repeater, block of stone, liver, redstone dust, a dispenser, and a redstone torch. So first step will be that we have to place a lever which will be activated towards the right side, and then leaving the gap of 1 on the ground we have to place a block of stone like this and redstone dust underneath it. So as you can see, as soon as I keep it, it gets activated. And then a block of stone here. Similarly, we're going to place it like this. And then a redstone repeater which will be activated. And then we have to place a redstone torch here. So as you can see that the lever is already activated, so the redstone torch won't be activated. And then we will place 2 redstone dust like this, and then 2 redstone dust in this direction, and then we'll break forward by 3, and then again 2, and but this one we have to break it forward by 1 and place a dispenser. Then we have to place a redstone repeater in this way, and then again we'll do the same thing. So this is the third time we're doing it. And now the fourth time. And now the fifth time. So let us place the fireworks in it now. So you can take maybe of any color. I'm taking randomly any 5, and then I'm going to place it in it. Oops, I'm sorry, I by mistake did that. And now let us activate the lever and check if it works. And now let us see the final output. That's so nice. So I hope you all like this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.